The good thing about buying slightly chunkier Walkmans is that normally you may have a bit more life left in the bout, and some of the other electronics might just be in better condition, so some of the thinner ones do suffer greatly from the bouts breaking and just getting from the bouts just breaking down basically, and getting all gooey and sticky. I mean, I'm not saying that it won't happen to these eventually, but because the bouts are thicker, then they tend to last a bit longer. So what I don't particularly like about these is being a bit kind of chunky, is they all kind of look very similar, and they're kind of around that age where you had a market for slim cassette Walkmans, and then you had a market for everything else essentially. So yeah, they're okay, but if you're going to get one, a chunky one, why not get a JVC? Stand out from the crowd. Look at that. So this one is a bit dumpy really. You can see it's not as tall as these it's in front of. It's still slightly under there, yeah. So it's not quite as chunky. It's a little bit kind of chunky on the width, but the design is just lovely. Look at that. So a nice looking cassette Walkman, made in Japan. Quality components used throughout. It's a 3-volt model, not a 1.5. It's simplicity. It's got everything you need. You've got headphones, the tone, high, low, volume, and then you've got the auto reverse mode here. So to have auto reverse is an extra bonus really. It's got Dolby as well. Some really nice kind of retro looking buttons on there, and there's an indicator as well to tell you which way the tape is playing, and there's the model number, the CQ-22. So it's got a bit on here. I'm not sure if this is to slide into something totally different or if it's just a battery, so maybe it would slide into something bigger like a hi-fi system. I'm not sure. It does look like it might because it's got so many contacts there, but not seen many of these around, and this one is in really nice condition actually. Let's just open it up first, shall I? There you go. So here the head is at this end rather than in the hinge, you see on some players, and I'm just going to play it. It still seems to be playing fine. A little bit sluggish on the mode when you want to reverse, so it probably does need the bout looking at some stage, but yeah, just a nice unusual cassette Walkman that you might not have seen around. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to watch any more videos about cassette Walkmans, then please like and subscribe, and I shall do some more, including some fix-it videos as well. I've got quite a few to bring up to kind of fully working conditions, so that's my plan. And in the meantime, have a good day. Bye for now.